Hey friends, if you wish to change language, time, region and locale settings in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through it. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side. Now we have all the settings here. Okay, I'll explain them one by one. So for the time and language settings, you have the option to set the time locally or so the time zone automatically by detecting your region, or selecting it manually by turning off the switch. Then if you can turn on off the switch for set time automatically, you can change the time manually or turn it on and click on sync now and get this tick mark here to set the time automatically. It is your choice whether you wish to see the time in the system tray or not. If the switch is off, the time is gone. And as for the language and region settings, okay, I'll show you. It's in the same page, time and language. In the language and region settings, you can add a language or you can delete an existing language. Okay, click on these three dots here and select on remove. But you can only remove languages which are not at the top, because your system will display only one language. Okay, and now the regional format of the language can also be changed. Like even if I'm using English, I can change it to English United States or something else. And the country, it can also be changed, right? I can change it from India to let's say I can change it to the United States of America, and it will not make much of a difference because I have selected the type of language edition initially here. But yes, there are some apps which may consider this. Now going back to the typing section, so we can use a touch keypad. Okay, and we can also change other settings associated with typing. For example, we can change this option to autocorrect misspelled words if you are using jargons in a company or something, or highlight misspelled words if you don't want that to happen. Or you can also get multilingual text suggestions, which is disabled by default. Or you can get text suggestions while typing on the keyboard, which is not usually enabled. Like I can say, it starts giving me text suggestions. Okay, so I get text suggestions by which I can just click on this and start typing the same way we do it with Android. Now the next one is, and the last one is speech. Okay, but for this, text to speech or speech on your system must be recognized, and you can also check the box to recognize non-native accents for this language. Okay, and then you can also set up your mic for speech recognition. And you might not be knowing, but you also have an option for text to speech on your system, and you can choose a good voice for the same. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.